The underlying trend on SNYR stock is a bearish one. You can see the 200-day moving average is not sloping upwards. Currently trading at $454.51, again over roughly 150% in this pre-market session of today, the 15th of April, 2025. We can see an intraday high of 5.85 has just printed, and based on its 2-hour chart. And going by what's been going on now, and also the fact that it is a low float stock, you have to be really careful. We think, going by the fact that it has a low float stock and it's very volatile, um, reasons why you should really be careful. We think it has a projection of 5.66, which is just slightly below this intraday high. The probability of that printing is there, because of it's coming. It has printed that it has printed even a higher price, and 6.6 and 7.55. So the probability of 6.6 printing in the very short time is not there at all. Very short time. We're talking about next couple of days. It's not there, and then 7.55 also not there as well. So we haven't found any news behind this spike. We haven't found any news. Yeah, we haven't found any news based on what is going on right now. The extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages is for weakness, but when the market opens, it may be totally different, So interestingly enough, there is a huge plunge in momentum is expected as well come the 8th of May, but at the same time, the 10-day moving average is not reflecting that as such, not reflecting that. It's for that day, it is a divergence is a divergence in projections is what we have here. Higher prices, as a matter of fact, on that day it's expected to pick up, even thereafter pick up as well, continue to strengthen in terms of projection. Okay, well, yes, you could say that there is. Yeah, you could say that it's going to plunge from the 6th of May. It's going to plunge from the 6th of May and then bottom on the 8th of May. Okay, so you could say that, yeah, maybe there isn't a divergence as such. There seems to be a convergence in the projections. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, is um, which updates every 4 hours as against what happens with the daily chart. So here we have things are looking up with what has going on now. All the moving averages are now sloping up slightly. All of them are sloping up slightly. Before you can see that we will have a look down here. We will see that we have a positive, everything positive apart from yeah, everything is positive. Let's see now. Everything is positive in terms of the values on this indicator. It's this price pressure momentum indicator. It measures the slope of the moving average. You can see 119, very high. But at the same time, we have a second derivative that is negative, suggesting that a moderation of this momentum is imminent. Is Yeah, imminent. So a moderation is there. At least it's good. You want to see that. You want to see a moderation to things. So there's no guarantee that this will continue to strengthen this momentum we're looking at right now. Yeah, there's no that there's even this gain will hold. But by the time the market opens, the market is opening as things stand around in about an hour and a half. So by the time you're watching this, the price may have decayed further. We don't have downward projections here, but we could see whether we can find some. We could see whether we can find some here on the 1-hour chart. Let's have a look and see whether we have downward projections. Yeah, we have downward projections here. We have $2.5. $2.5. Yeah. Let's see whether we have. Just go back a bit and see whether there's anything else on the 2-hour chart. We have 2.5 as well. Maybe we'll have to just look at the 45 minutes and see whether we have 2.5 as well. Strongly emphasized. Let's look at the 10 minutes and see. if there's anything of that nature. Yeah, the down projections are just right around where they are, not enough. So let's see the 3 minute chart. Let's see. No downward projections here. We have rather upper projections 4.83, below that 4.73, below that 4.51. Yeah, just know how you're playing this one. Just be really careful. It's not as things stand right now. It's not a stock to invest in. Maybe if you know what to do, you could trade. But it's not exactly a good investment. But a trade, maybe, yeah. But you have to be really careful. Very low float, highly volatile. Current gain, it has now may fizzle out by the time the market opens. Indeed, we have upper projections, really ambitious. It's just because it's a low float and highly volatile. It's not the recommendation that you should get involved. 5.66, 6.6, and 7.55. And thank you very much for watching this video.